Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. A few of you wanted to see some more on the 580 SK. So I'll start out walking around it here. This is the extend-a-hoe. I got my narrow bucket on it right now. Charles really wants to know more about the buckets. This one I bought, wasn't used very much. It's an 18-inch bucket, 4 teeth on it. Had most of the paint on it yet when I got it. If you guys are wondering, I have a video how to change the buckets. Click up on here. This is some sort of a quick change mechanism. Basically, you pull this one pin, you leave that one. You can swap them. There's a bushing internally here. Here's the bucket that came with my machine. All these pins in here are pretty wore, so some of them have bolts in them. Some are just missing. This thing is probably considered a 36-inch bucket. By the time you get to those plates out there, it's easily 36 inches. This puts a little bit of load on the machine. You get that full. He likes to throw it around. When that was my only bucket, I had this piece of plate that I cut out, and that was for putting a little bit of a spoon in a trench for doing tile work, so that way the plastic tile has somewhere to rest. It doesn't crush right away. Just kind of welded it in on some old teeth, so you can see that one pulled completely out. So Precision Films wants to see the lights working and how the windows operate on this machine. So you got your 2 light switches here and your indicators for signals. Your signals here. Another light switch over here. Put it on to accessory. Let's see if the lights work. So you got your hazard switch that turns on your 4 ways, all 4 corners, going on the road and whatnot. Then you got this switch. 1 click is on the front, outsides. 2 click is front and back, outsides. So you come over here, this here switch. 1 click is the front centers, 2 clicks is just the back centers, 3 clicks is front and back centers. And then you got the switch here, right blinker, front and rear, left blinker, front and rear. And then if you push in on this, it's also a horn. Push down the brake pedals, brake lights come on. I've went over some of the controls inside here in a different video, if you want to click on up here. And as far as the windows go, well, obviously your door, but to open these, that's how that works. The latch is right out here. So it's going to be a little bit hard for me to show you the back windows here. It's supposed to have these plastics on each side. This side broke, so I just put some aluminum just to hold it up all the way. Did a better job on this one than that one, but it keeps it closed. So basically you just pull out on this, on both of them, and slide it down. Same thing with the top. You can open just the bottom or just the top. The top will only come down to here, or do them both all the way down. So here's just the top. There's the bottom and the top all the way down. So you can see you got a nice view, range of view with them open. And then to close these side windows, you just flip down on that. There you go. I'll see if I can find a little bit of footage to throw in. It's cold out. I don't feel like running it today. But, well, I can always put the playlist in up here. I do have some video of it. Seems like every time I run this thing, I end up putting a new hose on. Trying some protectors on some of it. That's all new. This is all new. Those I've replaced 6 times or so. They always want to flip over and get jammed or caught on something. Half these are new in here. The newer models, they go straight in. They're not so restrictively tied. They're basically in a big nylon strap, and they go straight to the valve block instead of being bent and bent and bent. And so I'm gonna start changing that up when I redo that. Well guys, hopefully that helps you out. Let me know if there's anything else I can try to make a video on for you. I appreciate all the views and the comments, and until next time, take care and God bless. I got a couple tractors I got to get working on. You want to run them?